Chainsaw Man 189, spoiler and release date. This way, Denji quickly explains the whole situation, that they are trapped there, they can't use their powers freely and the old age demon wants to be killed by Chainsaw while eating children. On the other hand, Yoru is angry with Yoshida because of his arm and doesn't accept him right away. But, Yoshida shows that he wants to collaborate with them and even has a plan in mind. Chainsaw Man 189, release date. Check out the global launch times. Thus, Chapter 189 arrives on Tuesday, January 7, 2025, at 12 p.m. Pacific Time. Readers can follow it for free officially on the Manga Plus website. 10 a.m. Eastern Time. 5 p.m. UK Time. 7:30 p.m. Indian Time. 10 p.m. Philippine Time. Stay tuned for more spoilers in the coming days. Anyway, guys, share your opinion and be sure to join our WhatsApp.